I'm Savanna, and I'm going to show you a quick DIY hand reflexology massage you can do for yourself. So you're going to start with clasping your hands together and rolling your wrists around. Get them nice and warmed up. And then you're going to pull your fingers up, just like that. It feels really nice. You can do it a few times if you want. And then you're going to do some wrist flexion. And make sure you don't push too hard. Just want to get them all nice and warmed up. Then you're going to start with the reflexology, and you're going to use your palm, and you're going to do some thumb walking all along the bottom part of your palm. And you're going to come around the outside of your thumb all the way up to the tip. And then you're going to take each one of your fingers and you're going to roll it towards you. You're going to grasp it in about 5 or 6 places. And you're going to start at the base. You're going to roll all the way up to the tip for each one of your fingers. And then you're going to do some pinches, gentle obviously, using your index finger and your thumb. And you're going to start again at the base and go all the way along the outer side up to the tip of each one of your fingers. Then you're going to take your index finger and you're going to finger walk along the back in between each one of your metacarpals. And then you're just going to grasp your hands together again, do a little bit more wrist rotation, and I like to end with a little shake. And there's a DIY hand reflexology routine for you.